How do you film with the kids around? All the chaos. Yes, I film with all the chaos and in the chaos. Do you know what I do? I just take the camera, put it on the tripod. I start filming. They run around, they make noise. I just film with all the noise. They do things, but the only thing I don't allow them to do is to come before the camera or touch the tripod. That they don't do. They just make the noise behind there as I do my thing. All the noise in it, then I sit down, grab the InShot app. It's very useful. Then in the editing process, I just delete the audio, the voice from the video. It's all done like that. If it's a clip or a film or a video that requires me to speak in it, I'll definitely do a voiceover. A voiceover now when the baby is asleep and the other kids are engaged. That is how I do it. But let's say, for example, if it's a video that requires real-time voice, then that I'll have to wait until when the house is quiet. And that is mostly when people are asleep at night. That's why you'll mostly see some of my videos, the lighting is not quite okay, but as long as I provide value to you, and you can see my face and whatever it is that I want you to see, we are good to go. So mama, don't let the kids, the chaos and everything hold you back from filming your videos. Go for it. Film it.